And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these sets of plates. You can see there the sticker. So these are some new plates. We're gonna open these up and see exactly what comes inside of here. All right, so let's see what these plates look like. We're gonna try to slide these out of here. That's it for the box. And then inside of this foam, we should have our plates. Let's get rid of that. Here is the first plate. Let me clean it some, hold on. So there's our first plate. Love the size. These are a great size, and I love how there's this lip. So like it's not as easy for your food to fall off. Very nice blue color. And then that is all that's on the back. I like how there's actually 2 areas for it to sit too. Wow, these are gonna be some sturdy plates. Number 1, and then looks like these are all the same almost. The second plate here, very, very nice. Third plate, it seems that each one is a little bit different. Like there's dark here. They each seem to be slightly different design. They don't seem to be completely identical, but they are blue and black. So number 3, and of course number 4. So very nice look though. Love this thickness. They feel sturdy. These are some heavy duty, great plates. So thanks again to this company for sending me these plates to unbox and show you what you would get here. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.